Oh hi, outfit challenge. Okay, so the heels have to be heels that were out from the season you were born in. So I have these ones. Then go to random number generator. Put the max to 5. Whatever number you get is the number skirt that you have to wear. For your torso, you can wear any kind. The hair has to start with the first letter in your name. That means I have this one. The first accessory can only be an accessory that you won from the wheel. For accessory number 2, you have to do something from your favorite holiday. I guess I'll choose this one. This is how my outfit turned out.